Okay, just a quick light upgrade on the old school MN99s, the version 1. I'm going to make it a bit more like the MN98s with the roof lights, the yellow one. Just a little upgrade. So got this from AliExpress. It comes without the plug on the end, just to make life easier when you're threading it through. And there's a little plug. Basically, the wires thread through the little hole in the roof about there, which is easier said than done one-handed. And then the roof bar itself just clips on. It helps make it a bit more central, but so yeah, just clips on. So that's the first part of the install, is just running the wires through the roof and then clipping it on. And then after that, I have to remove the body. Where you have 2 screws up the front there. And then screw there. And screw there. And that gets the body off. And then we'll have a look once we've got the body off. So yeah, just those 4 screws to remove the body. 2 under there. And then the 2 at the back there. Just that one and that one. And then we've got the circuit board here, which we then have to run the wires from the roof down to the circuit board, which is removed via that one screw there, and then we can get better access to the other side. Okay, so I've had to release the interior a little bit, which is 1 screw there and there. 2 screws down there, 2 screws down there, 1 at the back, 1 at the back, and then that lifts off enough. And then there's a couple of little hooks to run the wires down the side of the screen there, then up towards the sort of ESC circuit board. So once I've run them, we'll and then screw this body back in place, we'll resume there. Okay, so we've got the interior screw back in place. That's just set to the side at the minute. This is your battery lead, so obviously you have to be careful on that. I disconnected the light board lead just to make life a bit easier for the time being. And then that spare little plug just there Here's your roof lights. Now what I can't tell from here is what's plus and minus. I think the inner one of the two is possibly the plus, but we shall see. So just figured it out, and the red is the one closest to this side of the board, and the earth is the one closest to that side of the board, which means that this little plug, it's a lively little thing. This little plug has to go that way round, and then the red lead clips in on the side. They literally just push in. The little loop part goes where the holes are, and the rest of it just slots in. I can't really show you because I'm filming with one hand. So then we can focus, yeah. That's that little loopy part goes to the front side there, and the smoother back side just clips in under that little tab. And then those two wires just plug into that little recess there, and then you have a sleeping dog and some working roof lights. They're only flashing because the transmitter's not powered on, and then it's just a matter of screwing this back down, reconnecting that plug and the 4 screws for the body. So the plug's reconnected, and then it'll just be a matter of screwing this back down, which I can't do one-handed, so give me a sec. ESC control board's screwed back in position, and if I turn on the transmitter, should stop all the flashing lights, and we have a solid roof light. Hello, dog's just woke up. And now it's just a matter of 4 screws to put the body back on. Body's back in position. 1 screw just about get to it through the drive shaft and suspension linkages. And the second screw back there. And then the 2 screws under the bonnet or the hood for our American friends. Just make sure this will go well one-handed. And Dusty Deaf End Nerd, or Deaf E Nerd, is now back together. I can find a way that the battery wants to sit. So doing one thing one-handed is more tricky than you think. So now, try to stand itself off again. There. So now we have some roof lights on our defilade. And we have our hunter kind of sitting up a bit. Back there. So yeah, quick and easy little mod on the Dusty 99s. That's a bit embarrassing. Yeah, so fairly easy one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're nearly at 700 subscribers now, so please keep them coming, and hopefully the channel will get monetized soon, and I can get some more expensive RCs and more mods and keep it going. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, a forgotten feature on the version 199s is that if you hold the steering all the way left, turns the lights off and on again, and also if you hold the steering all the way right, it then engages hazards, so you can have lights on and off with or without hazards. You still get the side lights. Can't remember about the reverse lights and stuff. Yeah, tail lights are always on. Yeah, you just get the little tiny tail lights, although all the others are still on somehow. But yeah, so kind of forgotten hidden feature on the version 199s. I say hazards is left, and then lights is right. Anyway, I hope that helps someone.